I'ma cock my 9 and I'ma kill a mother.